teaching once is equivalent to learning 50 times. That gives a lot of clarity. Take one question or two questions. That gives a lot of clarity. That's why we have included in our training program. And take patience.
Yes,
Don't
Father.
worry. You don't worry and go and do all the materials. I have already posted the videos, small videos, around 32 videos. All those videos are very, very important for gaining competency. Those are very small videos. Actually, one session I made into 8 videos or 9 videos to give clarity. Okay. And see that your registration number is typed in the comment space so that we know you are following properly. So that will be able to guide you efficiently. Any one which you liked, one bright tip that you got. If you can explain, that will be great. Any of these days when it's convenient for you. It can take 2 minutes. Okay, that will give you real confidence as well and clarity. So let me know who all can do it, okay?
Okay, Father.
Just one question. You can choose any question. We'll go to somebody who wants to present a short presentation today. Yeah, great. That is nice. That's what we love.
First of all, I would like to thank EduSkills and Father also, because before I started from February to learning the OET. I feel so hectic, Father, when I started, because I cannot identify those things. The OET, because it's really new for me, the OET listening. From the school onwards, I studied in Tamil medium, so English is so difficult for me. But now, after I see all your videos from February, now I have some confidence to achieve OET. I need some more confidence, then only I join to your team. I would like to share my learning experience from all the 5 sessions. First of all, I would like to share reading part A. Reading is total time is 60 minutes. Total question 42. Total marks 42. We need to aim for A grade. Don't focus on B grade. It includes part A, part B, and part C. Part A, it's 50 minutes, but we need to aim for 10 minutes. Part B is 10 to 12 minutes. Part C is 35 minutes. As we practice our father's strategy and tips, we can aim only for part B and part C. Part B is 6 minutes. Part C is 30 to 35 minutes. Part A is 20 questions, 4 text, A, B, C, D. First 5, 1 to 7 is matching, which means we need to find the hedging words and need to find the text, which text is the question. And after that, 8 to 14 is short answer and words. 15 to 20 is sentence and note completion. Based on further strategy, we need to skim and scan the text. First, underline the heading and subheadings. If they didn't mention any heading, means we need to identify the heading based on the followings. Read the topic sentence, underline the repetitive words, look for subheadings, and combine the side headings. Second is topic sentence, and we need to look for names, person, device, test, and disease names or body parts, and numbers, percentage, and visual clues. Visual clue means it's synonymous and synonymous language, sequential expression, chronology or time expression, modal verb. If you use this strategy, definitely we can spend only 20 seconds for each text skimming and scanning. After that, we need to mainly concentrate on plural versus singular. Whether the question is plural means we need to identify the answer in plural. After that, we need to look for conjunction as well as searches, including or like that. And we need to copy and paste the answer. If it is filling the blanks means we need to copy and paste from the text. And we need to identify and don't do the doubling mistake like that. If they mention here dash pump means we need to write only intermittent foot sole. No need to write the pump again. If they mention pack means we need to just write heat and cold. No need to write the packs. After that, once you see the father's video, you need to write the synonyms and synonymous language from there in your own notebook. So you can easily identify. Next time you see the video, you can easily identify the synonymous and synonymous language. These are all the synonymous and synonymous language I learned from father's videos. Reason, why, risk factors means causes, and light exercise means it's related to the gentle exercise. Issues means condition. Overload means increase, allows means enable. So you all, so I would like to advise you all to read all those synonymous and synonymous language in your notebook, so you can easily remember all those things when you do the test. That's all. Thank you.
Yes, congratulations, Kasthuri. Well done, well done.
Thank
This is
you.
what we want you to do. Definitely,
Thank you,
you will
Father.
see the improvement in your this one. And also, I understand what all things you have understood. If you have misunderstood something, like maybe you'll have to correct yourself in the regarding 2 minutes to
Oh,
20 seconds.
okay.
Okay, 20 seconds
Mm,
for one text for skimming.
mm. Okay,
Scanning you
Father.
will be doing later. That's cool. That's cool.
Okay.
But you have done well. That's
Okay.
what I want everybody to do. It can be 1 minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes, at least one learning. This is not
Okay.
for teaching others, much more than that, to build up your confidence and also build up the clarity. Congratulations. Yes, that's great.
Thank you.
Any other clarifications? Anything else you want to ask? Headings on it?
Excuse me, Father.
Yeah, please.
Can you please share the part B and C?
Yeah, it's there in our this one platform. You
Telegram.
can just click on the name of the Telegram group. Then you will
Okay.
media, music, files. Just click the files. Then you have it is available in the main Telegram group,
Oh, okay, Father. Okay, Father.
because we are going step by step.
Okay,
Okay.
Father.
After part
Thank
A,
you, Father.
after 1 week, we'll be going to be yeah. You can find in the file segment of main Telegram group. Edu
Thank you,
Skills
Father.
International
Thank you,
Telegram
Father.
group. There. If you don't find in the file segment, just request in the platform. They will get it for you.
Okay, Father. Okay.
Me too, Joy, right?
He raised the
Yes.
hand,
Okay.
Father.
Okay. Okay.